Hi everyone, this is Hannah, and it's been a little while since I have done a video. I apologize for that. I have been really busy with launching the new website store, and then at the last week of the month and the first week of the month, I'm busy, getting together the box, for the next month, and then shipping it out to the customers. So I've been really busy with that. But I did want to show you a video of, excuse me. Sorry, alarms going off as usual. I did want to show you a video of some books that I found at Goodwill. I sell on my website a recipe book kit, and I had run out of the vintage books that I had. So when I went to Goodwill one day, I picked up this one, Better Homes and Garden microwave book. 1983 was the date on it, and so I thought, well, that might work. There's a little bit of pictures in here, a little bit. But then I went back the next week, because it seems at our Goodwill, it seems like Thursday, I think it's Thursday, is a good day to go. It's like that's when they've put out the stuff that's been donated. So I found, this is Bon Appetit. Let me look and see which year this is. Let's see, maybe it's 1979. This one's a 1979. It's in really nice condition, like pretty much perfect. And I just love the pictures. I love the pictures of the food. So, and with my recipe book kits, I include 15 pages out of these cookbooks with pictures. I will include with each order, like, 2 or 3 pages, probably like 3 pages if I can. So this is the 1979 book. This one, is that I thought that for some reason I was thinking this is a 1975. No, it says 1979. Okay. And then this one says 1979. Okay, and this is Southern Living, which I love Southern Living. You can see just the pictures. It's annual recipes. Now this one I have already cut some pages out of for an order that I sent out last week. But and it has it by months, and kind of gives like a little paragraph, and it does have some pictures in it. So pretty neat. I just love that. So I wanted to show you that. So those are the books, those 3 books that I will be cutting pages out of for the recipe book kits. I also found this. This is pretty neat. It's got different books, and I'll just kind of take it out. These are, I think, 1985. Let me see. Yeah, 1985. And you've got your USA, Canada, Mexico, South America. And it's got just beautiful pictures. And then it tells some history about it too. And I thought that would be really neat. My junk journal box that I'm doing for the month of May, I guess for the month of May, or maybe it'll be for the month of June. Because for May I did it's like a Mother's Day junk journal embellishment kit. But then for June I'll have these books with, pages. This is Italy, Greece, Israel, Egypt, North Africa. So that's pretty cool. And then Britain and Ireland. That's just really neat. And whenever I get these together, you'll just tell me if there's specifically, pages out of a book that you want. So that way I can tear them out. Maybe you've taken a trip to some of these places and would like, some of the imagery and the history behind it. And so I would, tear those, cut those pages out and include with your kit. And then Spain, France, Germany, Switzerland, Scandinavia. It's pretty neat. It reminds me of the House Hunters. I love to watch House Hunters International and just see other parts of the world. It's just so neat. So, but I wanted to show you these vintage books that I had received. I hope that you enjoy it. Let me know if there are certain videos that you would like to see, from me. I know that I was so busy the month of April, and I wasn't able to keep up with the newsletter like I wanted to, and I am really sorry about that, because I do really try to commit to it, and time was just kind of my enemy. There was stuff that had to be fixed on the website and just different things, and I'm still working on a couple of things, but you are able to go on to www.danagirlsdesigns.com. You are able to purchase. Got all the different boxes there, the scrapbooking, mixed media, planner, junk journal, and then I also have one-time products like the recipe book kit, Poetic Rose kit, Moonchild kit, and there may be a couple other ones. And as soon as I can get a little bit of time, I want to kind of go through my kits that I have and see how much of each one I have left, and go ahead and list those on the site as well. So so I did not finish the April newsletter. There were other things I had wanted to do, like to get started on a junk journal and kind of take you through the steps of that along with me. I did not get to that, and honestly I'm not sure when I will. If things kind of sort of slow down in the next couple of weeks, I might be able to, but I know my daughter's got 1 month left of school, and then the summer with that is just busy. So so if there are certain videos that you would really like to see from me, please let me know. If I have an idea of what interests you the most, then I can utilize my time better and make sure that the content I'm showing is what you're wanting to see. So thank you so much in advance for your feedback. I really appreciate y'all's support to me and my family and our channel. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment those below, and any suggestions and feedback are welcome also. Thank you so much. Bye.